is for ball. C is for cat, so cute. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for guitar, so nice music. H is for heart. I is for ice cream, so yummy. J is for jug. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for monkey, so funny. N is for nut. O is for octopus. P is for princess. Q is for cool. R is for rose in red color. S is for sandwich. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for van. W is for watermelon, so yummy. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zoo. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करना मत भूलिए ताकि हमारी हर वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया।